Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and testing session for the outdoor waterproof Wi-Fi camera. We'll also show you how to set it up and use it using the EseeCloud app. Let's dive right in. Inside the box, we have the camera piece, a power supply, a quick user manual, and everything you need to get started. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for outdoor installations. The build quality feels solid and durable thanks to the high-quality plastic construction. To power up the camera, we'll connect the power supply to the camera's power port. Now, let's move on to the app setup. The camera is compatible with the EseeCloud app, which provides convenient remote access and control of your camera. I've already downloaded and installed the EseeCloud app on my smartphone. Let's open it up and start the setup process. The app will guide us through the setup process step by step. We'll start by creating an account or logging in if we already have one. Next, we'll add the camera to our account. To do this, we'll scan the QR code on the camera using the app's camera function, or you can choose other ways to add if you don't have the QR code. Tap Connecting Camera Hotspots to add. Here you can insert the password of your Wi-Fi to add the camera to your network, or tap Wi-Fi connection for change to connecting directly to your phone. The application tells you what you need to.
Please follow coming steps carefully to connect your mobile to the camera's Wi-Fi. Then return to this app for further steps. On your phone, please go to Settings, Wi-Fi. On your phone, please go to Settings, Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi hotspot named with IPC.
The default password is 81. Give a name to the camera and tap Confirm. The camera now is connected. You can get the footage directly to your phone. This is the best way to use the camera if you don't have a Wi-Fi network. If you want to connecting to your Wi-Fi, tap Settings, Advanced Settings, connect new Wi-Fi, and choose your access point and insert the password.
Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
Now the camera is online and you can control it from anywhere. The EseeCloud app provides a wide range of features and settings to customize your camera experience. You can adjust motion detection sensitivity, set up alarm notifications, and even configure Pete's control for precise monitoring. The camera features a micro-C port that allows for easy and convenient storage expansion. Simply insert a microSD card to store and access recorded footage directly on the camera. No need for additional cloud storage. It's a reliable and accessible solution for storing important moments and ensuring you never miss a detail. Whether you want to enhance your home security, monitor your outdoor spaces, or keep an eye on your property with a low cost, this camera is a versatile option. Thanks for watching our unboxing and testing of this camera. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be sure to respond. Stay connected and see you in the next video.